So I'm going to show you how you can add me as an instructor to your Blackboards so that at the beginning of every semester I can just copy over your course. You are going to open up your Blackboard, log in. Yours is going to be blank. I've already populated mine, but you'll come over here. You're going to click on Users and Groups. You're going to go to Users. This is your whole entire list, your roster. It tells you who your students are. It tells you who your instructors are. What you guys are going to do, you're going to have to find me. So you're going to find users to enroll. When this thing pops up, just go ahead and go straight to browse. You don't even have to type anything here. Just browse. And let's see, I'm going to add Brian Haggerty. So I'm going to add Brian Haggerty as an instructor to my class. So we'll see if this works. Username contains. So let's, nope, didn't work. So let's do email. Let's do douglas@austincc.edu. There we go. There's Doug Smith. So I'll just add him. So I'm going to just click on him on that list, go to submit, and that's it. You set what role you want that person to have. By default it goes to student. You're going to set me as an instructor, and you're just going to say submit, and then you can see if I look down here, Smith, Douglas is enrolled as an instructor. So that's all you have to do. Once you do that, I can go in and copy your course for you.